Okay, here we got the Yamaha accessories, the rock sliders for the X2. This is what's in the box. We got the directions, both the rock sliders. These, I believe, go into the round tubing in the back where they mount, and then the tubing mounts to, or the rock sliders mount to that. The hardware and these mounting tabs also. So shouldn't be too bad of an install. Let's read the directions and see what it tells us to do and get them mounted up. Okay, reading the instructions, what you're gonna do is pop this cap out of the back of the bottom tube on the X2, and then you have this big heavy duty mounting spacer thing. But anyway, we're gonna basically put that in there with the hole aimed to the bottom. There's already a hole underneath, and then this bolt screws right into the bottom of that hole. Then once you put your rock sliders on, there's two bolts that'll go into these back two mounting holes. Up here in the front, what you have to do is take the two 10mm bolts off of your the plastic piece, the guard that's here, and then there's two 10mm bolts on the bottom and one on the inside of the floor to loosen this. And basically what's going to happen is they give you this mounting bracket. You're going to slide this down in here, as you can see, and then you get two bolts, two mounting bolts, one here and one here. So let's get one bolted up and we'll see what she looks like. Okay, we got them installed. Basically what you do is you put that rear plug in, and what we did was kind of left everything loose, started these two bolts. You have to drop it in the front section first, and then push this back over and start your two bolts, and then you can get your Allen on the bottom tightened up. The two in the front, when you do originally set it, I stuck the one bolt in there and it has a catch on it and it grabs it. Get the back on, and on both sides I used the back and it pushed it forward into place where it needed to be. Then I tightened the front two up. So that's it, pretty easy install. They're nice and stout and heavy duty, and they look great. Keep your tubing from getting smashed. They're nice and thick. So happy with them. Can't wait to see how it looks when she's all back together with the cab and everything on it.